How to add checkbox in Google Docs. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. Open up your Google Chrome and then go to the 9 dots and then open up your Google Docs. Now, select the document that you want to work on, tap on it, and then select the points that you want to add checklist to. And then once you have selected it, go to the 3 lines on the top, and then you can see the tick option right here. This is the checklist. Just tap on it, and there you go. You have easily added checkboxes on your Google Docs. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.